This website is made with Flask. These are all in environment variables and we have set all of them. And now let us run our Flask application by using Flask run command. It can show here our Flask application is running on this IP address. Let us go to that and browse it in browser. So this is the address which that I have shown. So this is the login form. So since we do not have an account, let us create one. Since username should have contain at least 5 characters, let us give an username John and enter password 123. Let us check if this account will be created or not. Since we have given wrong details, it will take some time. So yes, it is not creating. So let us give username is 123 and password. So let us again create the account. Since we have typed wrong passwords could not match, so it is properly working. Now let us give the right passwords here. So now this has to create an account for us. Since we have satisfied all the conditions, just successfully created. Now let us go and log in. The username we have given and the password. Let us log into the website. Yes, we have logged into the website and here we can see the username which we have given, and here we can see a logout button, search for a book, and here we can search for a book by author or title or ISBN number. Let us search for author Chetan Bhagat. Yes, so I think these two are the results which they have fetched in the database. Let us see more about this book. Yes, this is the information, and here you can see the review submitted by users. Users Kalyan and Revan have wrote these reviews, and these are the details of the book which we have browsed for. Half girlfriend, author, published year, ISBN number, and these are the average ratings given by good users on Goodreads. Now let us try to submit our own review. Let us write amazing book and let us give it a rating and let us submit our review. Let us see what will happen. It will take some time. Yes, you can see here our rating has been submitted here. John wrote an amazing book. Let us see other book. Let us search for book again. Let us see the book written by the same author. These two states. And you can see the reviews here for the two states book. Let us log out and log in from other account and let us see if the results submitted by one account are being reflected in other account or not. Let us search for that book. And yes, it is being reflected in other account as well. And let us this website also has API. If you request for one such API with the ISBN number, it will return the JSON response of that, and we can also successfully log out and it will take us to login form. Thank you for viewing the video.